Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oregano oil. First, you'll need fresh oregano leaves, roughly 1 cup, to ensure a potent oil. Next, choose a good quality carrier oil like extra virgin olive oil or almond oil. It's important to sterilize all your equipment, including jars and bottles, to prevent contamination. This simple preparation ensures a clean and effective final product. Once your oregano is clean and dry, roughly chop the leaves. This helps release their beneficial compounds into the oil. Place the chopped oregano into a clean glass jar, then pour your chosen carrier oil over it, ensuring the leaves are fully submerged. Leave about 1 inch of space at the top of the jar. This mixture is now ready for the infusion process. You have 2 main options for infusing your oregano oil. For a quicker method, use a double boiler over low heat for 2 to 3 hours, ensuring the oil never boils. Alternatively, for a solar infusion, place the sealed jar in a sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks. Regardless of the method, remember to shake the jar daily to help extract the oregano's potent compounds. After infusion, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve to separate the plant material. Squeeze out every drop of oil for maximum yield. Transfer your finished oregano oil into dark glass bottles to protect it from light and store it in a cool, dark place. It can last for several months. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.